Hello everybody, Going for Plays Vlogs here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my ramen noodles after I cook it. This is actually mine. I really did cook this. It's the chicken flavored, because beef is still less here. Sorry about the beef lovers out there, but sorry, but beef is just less here. Chicken is in this year. Tried it like 2 months ago before winning this. And I also use this type of garlic called garlic salt to sprinkle all over my ramen. It's actually really good because it's great value, so well, why not? So first of all, I need to open this. I always shake it until the thing at the bottom. Look at that. Tastiness. I'm next going to pour it into the ramen. Pour it into the ramen, and I'm going to mix it up. This butter knife. I'll be right back once I mix it all. So it's all mixed in now.
It's like I woke up from a nightmare. It's like I woke
First, I'm gonna open this. Throw it over the top. Garlic salt. We're back when it's mixed up. I'll mix it in. And just gonna put a little bit of garlic salt here the edges off, so that way I can have a good little snack. Currently this is 11:28 9. I'm at 28. 11:29 at my place, and I know it's not getting old still.
Because I finally got away from you, and I ain't never going back there.
But I can say home.
If it's the last thing I'll ever do,